The Oregon Cascades and the Three Sisters. What a place to fly. Did you know that there's actually a town called Sisters? It's the gateway to the Oregon Cascades. It's really small, but incredibly awesome and super cute. Tons of new, beautiful homes right next to working farms, where old literally works hand in hand with new. And man, do they have an airport. One of the finest privately owned public airfields around. I mean, it is beautiful. But make no mistake, the approaches can be a little dicey. The wind gets wild, and as you can see, there's a lot of trees. The density altitude can vary between 5,000 and 6,000 feet daily. So you gotta know your aircraft's performance, read up on the airport's approaches and departures. Some of them are kinda wild. Check out the departure for runway 02.
All right, power's up. Plane feels good. Oh yeah, we're good. Little vibration in the front wheel there. Looking for, there comes the green. Hold up some airspeed.
Each 444 has the departing traffic up in sight.